Okay guys, now you have drawn the head layer part. Now let's learn how to draw on the body part. So the first thing I want you to do is create a new layer and rename it as a body layer. After you rename the body layer, I want you to lock down the head layer so that anything you draw on the body layer doesn't affect the head layer. Okay, now let's zoom in. Click the pen tool, P, and start drawing on the line. Alright. It's okay that you draw not according to the line. It's okay. Along the way we just correct it. No worry. Okay, when you're done drawing, click ESC to escape. Click V. Okay, now you have your outer part ready already, no problem. Now let's draw on the inner parts of the detail part. Click P again and start drawing according to the line. Okay. V and click P again to start draw on the detail part. Let's start from the hand first. It is okay that you don't close along the line. We will correct it later on. No worries. Okay, now you have done the hand part. Let's start drawing on the body part. Now one thing I want you to notice that this circle part is a whole circle. So what we can do is that we draw on the body part and left the circle part first. Okay, now it has roughly sketches on the body part already. Now what we need to do is we need to connecting all the dots together. So how do we do that? Same things, we click Ctrl Y and zoom in out a little bit and click A to closing up the point together. Double click on the anchor point and drag it back. Alright. So let me speed the thing up a little bit. Okay, when you unclear that some of the point, whether you do it correctly or not, you can always click Ctrl Y to see back whether it's connected correctly or not. Okay, from this point, right, we can see that, hey, actually this point and these points are actually connected. Okay, so we know that this is connected. We go back to Ctrl Y again to connect it. Okay, now we have finally connected all the dots together. Now let's do a final checking. Okay, very good. All the dots seems to be corrected. Now what we need to do now, next step is we need to enlarge the stroke so that it fulfill the images like this. Okay, well, how we can do it? We select the stroke and go to the stroke layer and increase the stroke. Okay. This one as well. Now you may notice that some of the stroke is heavy, some of the stroke is thin. So in this one you need to make sure that some of the stroke is a little bit thicker, some of the stroke is a little bit thinner. Okay. So this one is heavier. This one is a little bit thinner. So I think these two should be alright. Now you have completed the Ironman body. In the next lecture, I will show you how you can duplicate it and color the body as well.